The Audi Grandsphere is a level 4 autonomous EV concept with a double disappearing steering wheel. I'll take disappearing steering wheel for $500, please.
Okay, good. As long as it's in there, tucked away. You still want one.
I was doing a Jeopardy thing.
Okay. But this is
like when they take a topic for...
It's weird that you have to answer with a question.
That's a sick looking car.
Yeah.
The rear end on that thing looks wild. So much glass. It's a concept car.
Reminds me of like a Speedtail.
I love the Speedtail. It's like $1 million or $2 million. Why's it got to do that? Why's it got to do all that? Otherwise, I like it.
Yeah.
$2 million, $2.5 million. I guess that's why it's... Oh, look at the way the doors open on that.
Very spacious in there.
I like this. I'll take one of these. What do they want for it?
Check out the driver's side.
That's sick. Is that a screen, though? Or it looks like some other kind of detail?
It's like a projection or something.
Oh, that's cool.
And,
yeah.
It comes... I guess the steering wheel kind of tucks away.
Motorized. Goes in, comes out. Now, that's a move. Steering wheel when you need it. Don't have to look at it when you don't. This is how you do it well. Audi figured it out.
Yeah. This looks really cool.
There's a lot of textures. You see the plant? There's a plant in the car.
Of course.
Because of the
That's
eco.
the future.
Eco.
Yes.
People love the eco. And then you just put a plant in there and all of a sudden your brain starts making the connection. You're like, maybe if I get this car, then plants like it.
Thrive.
Plants thrive. It must be good in there. Yeah, I see.
But they have a few details.
It's a 17-foot long vehicle. 17 feet 7 inches. That's long.
Yeah.
6 feet 7 inches wide. 4 feet 7 inches tall. Audi is calling the dimensions an unambiguous example of the luxury class automobile. 126-inch wheelbase. So this is to go up against some of those Mercedes ones, those very luxurious, spacious ones. That's why the rear looks so good. There's a lot of space there. I'm talking about the interior.
Yes.
Again, it's a concept, so you probably don't care about the range, but it will have a 120 kilowatt hour battery. Oh, wait. It's packing a 120 kilowatt hour battery, so even at that size, it should go a decent distance. Yeah, 466 miles on charge. It's a concept. You can't get it, but I like how they did the rear end, so it's a huge car, but it doesn't look like one. It kind of looks shorter than it is because of the way they... But you're losing a little cargo in exchange for that styling. More plants.
More plants.
Many plants.